Hello and welcome to the Linux V channel. Today we are going to see how to check the IP address of the Ubuntu machine. So basically any machine or any laptop, desktop or your mobile which accesses the internet by connecting to the servers, different servers and internet. So that has some unique address assigned to every machine. So that address is called as a IP address, which normally is for the local network. It is starts with 192.168 dot something dot something. So it's like a four digit. You can see the IP addresses is says R. So here in Linux, yeah, there is a command called ifconfig. So normally in Windows, if you are previously a Windows user, you will see that you may have typed the command ipconfig onto the Windows terminal. Similar way in Linux, it is called as ifconfig. So now we will try it for the first time by entering this command, whether we see it the IP address of our this machine. So we entered this command, but unfortunately this ifconfig command is not available onto this machine because it is fresh Ubuntu install. So we have to install this NetTools package. So we will go ahead and install the NetTools package. So now it is installing. So once this is installed, as we can see it here, the installation is in progress of NetTools package. Now, yes, now it is done. So let us see what the information of ifconfig command is available. As you can see it here, ifconfig is used to configure the network interfaces. So ifconfig is normally used for mostly frequently used for checking the IP addresses, but there are a lot of other things we can do using this ifconfig command. So as we can see it here, it can be used to configure the network interfaces and change lot of things. So all of the information is available here. So you can use and you can try it out those options in the as we can get. Now let us try and see what is the IP address. So we entered here the ifconfig and now we can see it here that we have two interfaces. Total three interfaces are visible onto as the output of this ifconfig command. You can see it here. enp2s0 is our Ethernet port. So currently we are connecting over the Wi-Fi. So you can see that there is no IP address assigned here. The next one is the local loopback port, and the third is you can see it here. It's a WLP3S0, which is our wireless internet which we are using to uh, connect to the local network using the Wi-Fi. So now here you can see it easily that IP address is available here. You can see it 192.168.1.2, and the net mask is this one, and the broadcast is 192.168.1.255. So that's it, how you can see the IP addresses using ifconfig command. So you can also pass options like this ifconfig -a to get some more details. But the most important with this video, what we tried to find it out is how to get the IP address in the Linux or Ubuntu using the ifconfig command. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.